Namaste and welcome on board the Isness. I was just listening to the rain. Yeah, we've got lots of rain back again. But it's that time of the year, it's autumn. So we get lower temperatures, we get darker skies, shorter days, the nights are drawing in, dew in the morning on the grass. And everything on the trees and the plants seems to be dying off and falling to the ground. Within all that greyness and dullness, there's beauty. Through self-awareness and your deep inner senses, when Mother Nature puts before you these beautiful things, you appreciate more about nature and life, and makes you realize how important we are to be connected. In these confounding times, it's a good idea to connect with nature, to bring yourself back home to a place of tranquility, away from the media, the news, the chaos that is happening around the world. Nature's out there ready to provide you with some wonderful medicine. I love them foggy mornings, like the other morning when I woke up, where the sun's just trying to break through and you can make out the outline of the sun. You can actually look at it without getting blinded. And then there's the droplets of dew water on the plants, hanging like chandeliers, glistening in that little bit of light that there is. Fog and mist symbolises mystery, dreams, uncertainty, confusion. And yes, there is something mysterious about it, spooky in a way. Then there's the hidden treasure, spiders' webs. When it's a foggy, misty morning, wow, amazing. So autumn is a beautiful time of the year. Get out there, go and experience it for yourselves, and come back and tell me what you've experienced, what you've seen, how you feel, how it makes you feel. Thank you for joining me on my vlog. I hope you do come back on board again soon. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. It is free, and you will then be informed when my next vlog is online. And I'll see you again soon, back on board the Isness. Namaste.